a shining at the darkness. Truth can't sink. When the world full of confusion, we stand firm on the rock. Them say wrong is right nowadays. Everybody lost in a maze. False promises, vanity craze. People blinded by the enemy ways. But your word, Lord, never fail. Through the storm and raging gale, when deception try prevail, your truth alone will always sail.
Me now drift away, now follow every vice them say. You keep me out secure each day. Jesus, lead the way. Anchored in truth, anchored in love,
Guided by
the Father above.
no light can pull we under sea.
Your spirit sets we free. Anchored in truth, firm and strong.
Even when the road
Feel long, we now bow to vanity.
your truth is liberty. Wolf in sheep clothes all around, trying to shake holy ground. But your voice is the only sound where eternal hope is found. Many chasing earthly gain, temporary pleasure bring pain. But in Christ we remain, covered through sunshine and rain.
Truth over hype, light over darkness, faith over fear tonight.
Christ is the anchor, hope never falter. We
Standing firm in our righteousness, standing firm, standing firm, anchored in our truth, Lord.
oh 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 oh, anchored in our truth, Lord. Oh 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 oh.
Anchored in our truth, Lord.
No deception, no compromise. We see
Clearly through your eyes,
Babylon system full of disguise, but
your
your
kingdom never dies. Anchored in truth, anchored in grace,
see the glory pan
every face.
when the enemy
Try erase,
your love still.
all we place. Anchored in truth forevermore.
Safe upon salvation shore,
King Jesus we adore.
no one forevermore. In a truth.